3-minute world tour. Explore every country. Welcome to Sweden. Sweden, a beautiful Nordic nation, is a land of innovation, natural wonders, and rich cultural heritage. Known for its breathtaking landscapes, high quality of life, and progressive society, Sweden offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity. Historical heritage, Sweden's history dates back thousands of years, with the Viking Age being one of its most famous periods. The Vikings were skilled seafarers and traders, leaving behind historical sites such as Birka and Gamla Uppsala. Over the centuries, Sweden evolved into a powerful kingdom, with Stockholm becoming its capital in the 13th century. In the modern era, Sweden transitioned into a peaceful democracy, known for its neutrality in global conflicts and its role in international diplomacy. Famous figures. Sweden is home to many influential figures. Alfred Nobel, the inventor of dynamite and founder of the Nobel Prizes, revolutionized science and global recognition of achievement. Astrid Lindgren, author of Pippi Longstocking, brought joy to children worldwide, while Ingmar Bergman, a legendary filmmaker, shaped global cinema. In the music industry, ABBA and pop sensations like Zara Larsson and Avicii have left their mark internationally. Environmental activist Greta Thunberg has also brought global attention to Sweden's commitment to sustainability. Language and culture. Swedish is the official language, but Sami, spoken by the indigenous Sami people in the north, is also recognized. Swedish culture emphasizes equality, sustainability, and community. Traditions like Midsummer, where people dance around a maypole and enjoy pickled herring, and Fika, a coffee break with pastries, reflect the country's deep sense of togetherness. Swedish design is celebrated globally for its minimalism and functionality, evident in brands like IKEA. Sweden's cuisine includes meatballs, gravlax, cured salmon, and lingonberry jam, offering a taste of its natural bounty. Economy and innovation. Sweden has a strong economy driven by technology, manufacturing, and green energy. It's the birthplace of globally recognized companies such as Volvo, Ericsson, and Spotify. Sweden's commitment to innovation and sustainability makes it a leader in renewable energy and digital technology. Top attractions for tourists. Sweden offers a range of attractions for visitors. Stockholm, the Venice of the North, is known for its picturesque old town, Gamla Stan, and the Vasa Museum, which houses a preserved 17th century warship. The Icehotel in Jukkasjärvi provides a unique Arctic experience, while the northern lights can be seen in Swedish Lapland. The archipelagos near Stockholm and Gothenburg are perfect for exploring Sweden's stunning coastline. Nature enthusiasts can enjoy hiking in Abisko National Park or canoeing in the pristine lakes of Dalarna. Interesting fact, did you know Sweden has nearly 100,000 lakes? This makes it a haven for water sports and nature lovers. Sweden is also one of the most forested countries in Europe, with more than 60% of its land covered by trees. Population and size. Sweden has a population of about 10 million people and spans approximately 450,000 square kilometers, making it one of the largest countries in Europe by land area.